So Henry Musa, the Minister of Agriculture and Food Security, Government of the Republic of Sierra Leone, and then today in Kono District, specifically, and then Mulu Poultry. We just commissioned this Mulu Poultry. When I battery cage system poultry, we get about 3,000 chicken in here. Where they produce about 3,000 eggs a day in Kono. This is first of in kind. I can't because now a private individual. Siita Kaikai and Dr. Kaikai, and they start this poultry and they do it because they believe in the president's call for fetal load. Now, Kono will not get plenty poultry there, but they don't come bring the first battery cage system. Now, Kono will get for the produce egg, fresh eggs, they put them at the markets there. This is very important. When President Biobi say that all men do their own part of fetal load, and they don't answer this, but they don't make. We as government, we don't provide technical support. We set up some credit facility them. They don't benefit from that. But everything really, the passion, the zeal, that they don't come put an eye. They hire well over 30 young men there with a woman there with the work now. Not to poultry no more. We don't come last year. We launched the machine ring system where they train operators them in Kono to make sure we will plow for people in this district and do plenty. Yeah, today, Paramount Chief them did former Chief Justice then and tell you how they glad about the good work the President they do under feet alone for the Nayana Kono. They don't talk say Kono not to diamond now. They don't change, and we know that me as minister I know say Kono now for Chief them know what they do diamond. The rest now agriculture. And now we won't help down the way we can. So we're very delighted for open this poultry now today. Now, a big step forward for fetal, and we own responsibility now, citizens, and followed by the egg. This is not fresh egg. Therefore, better pass that one when they come far away. One of the imports for come by. We so even get for there. This is for dinner fresh. The layer today, same day, dinner import it time fresh. So now the word that a lot of people them low embrace them kind of effort here. We go fit corner and we go fit alone. I tell you.